Thank you, thank you. So I'm Marcus.
I'm Timian, and we are ahead of New from DTU, Denmark. So if your phone looks like this and it's broken, the obvious choice is probably to think, well, I've had it for a long time, let's just buy a new one. But it has some consequences. So electronic waste is the fastest growing waste stream in the world. And just in Denmark, there's 100,000 tons each year disposed. If we look at the impact, smartphones and computers alone, they account for 27 million tons of CO2. That's around 10 million cars. So why are people not repairing? We talked with 600 people, and we found that trust, convenience, and knowledge, lack of knowledge, was the main factors.
All right, so how will we tackle these issues? First of all, we're going to make a complete platform gathering both consumers and independent repair shops under one roof. On our platform, we will make sure that you can get an accurate both price and quality comparison. And we will also, of course, make available the local reviews and location of our shops. We will also have a possibility to do a climate impact calculator, so you know exactly how much CO2 you save by choosing to repair instead of buying new. And of course, we can book on the platform as well. So right now we're focusing on smartphones and computers in Greater Copenhagen, but our future focus is to expand this to all different types of devices. We want to include dishwashers, fridges, etc. We are also planning on doing really cool AI diagnostic tools. So imagine that you don't have to walk down to your local shop to find out what's wrong with your device. You can actually just put it in and we'll figure it out via the AI technology. So let's look at the business. It's pretty simple. By using online marketing, we'll get real customers through the doors of the independent shops. From that, we'll take a 10% cut, and by appearing on our platform, they also pay a €100 monthly subscription.
Yeah, so sum it up. So the customers save time and money. They get a trustworthy quality repair from a guaranteed certified shop through us, and you're doing the right thing. You want to do the right thing. The repair shops get increased visibility and more customers and a steady flow of customers and earn more money. Just now, we have the platform live, we're testing the MVP, and we have 2 partnerships in Copenhagen, and we are a member of the Right to Repair Coalition. This is a team, and this is our website. Thank you.